Conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to SAP S4 HANA SD certification training. So in the course S4615, Building in SAP S4 HANA Sales, in this course, today we are covering this topic, data flow. Data flow for billing documents. This is the topic we are covering today. Okay, so data flow for billing documents. In this session, the topics that we are going to cover, they are set up data flow for billing documents. Okay, then reference documents for billing documents. Okay, what are the reference documents we use during billing documents creation? Data flow, how the data flow happens. Okay, then copying control and copying requirements. We will cover this. What is copying control and what is copying requirements? How it works. Then pricing in the billing document. How the pricing happens in the billing documents. So these are the topics we will be covering in this session. Okay, so first we'll start with reference documents for billing documents. Okay, so each billing document requires a reference document except billing of external transaction. So when you are creating a billing document, you use a reference document. Suppose if I go to the system, when we are creating a billing document, here we give a reference document here. Either it can be outbound delivery or it can be a sales order in case of order related billing. This is the reference document. Sometimes you will give a billing document also. Okay, so that is the one. These reference documents, may be as follows. It can be a sales document, it can be a sales order, or it can be a delivery, outbound delivery, or it can be a billing document, another billing document. So this is the one. See, we create sales order. From the sales order, we create outbound delivery. Then when we do invoice, we use outbound delivery as the reference document. This is during delivery related billing. And you have order related billing. That time you create sales order in case of services. Directly using this order, you will do the invoicing. Okay. And sometimes when you create a credit memo, you use credit memo request as the reference document. Okay, and when you do cancellation of invoice, you use invoice as the reference document. So the reference document can be a delivery document, or it can be a sales order, or it can be a sales document, or it can be another billing document. These three types of documents are used as reference documents. Okay, so let's continue. When billing explicitly, you must enter the number of the reference document as a transaction to be billed. So when you are doing billing using VF01, you need to enter the reference document number on the screen. Okay, so here you have to enter the reference document number. Then you have to proceed. Okay, you must always refer to an existing document when creating a billing document, and data will then be copied from the reference document to the billing document. So when you are doing billing, you enter your reference document here. Okay, the moment you click on continue, see the data from the reference document will get copied to the billing document. Like you see the material, quantity, value, okay, payer, okay, billing date, all these information from the reference document will get copied to the billing document. Okay, so let's continue now. For delivery related billing, for delivery based billing, the quantities to be billed, for example, can be taken from delivery. The prices, however, are taken from the underlying order. So normally what you do, if you recollect our normal flow, first you create sales order. From the sales order you create outbound delivery, then you create billing document. So when you create billing document, even though you give delivery document as a reference, quantity will get copied from delivery to billing document, but the prices will come from sales order, from sales order to the billing document. This is the flow we are talking about. This is the flow, first one. Okay, so that's what happens. Now the reference document is displayed as the source at header level in the copying control table. So when we go to copying control, I will show you that. Okay, so now these are the reference documents. So when you create these billing documents, these are the reference documents. Suppose for invoice, sales document or delivery will be the uh, reference document. Suppose if you are creating a credit memo, a credit memo request or another billing document can be the reference document. So these are the billing documents you create, and these are the reference documents. Okay, so that's how the reference documents will work.